On the episode of Two Happy Ladies at the Erin-Ijesha Waterfall. Whoops! So before we head out for the journey ahead of us from Elisha, we took some beautiful pictures, videos, and had some fun. So from here, we set out for the journey and took our means of transport down to our destination, which is Erin-Ijesha. This is Erin-Ijesha area. So this is the environment. One thing I love about this place is the beautiful nature, like the greens.
Hello. Okay. This is actually not my first time of being here. My first time of being here was 2014 when I did my ND in Ibadan. So we came for an excursion. And 10 years after, here I am. My Erin-Ijesha Waterfall. Yeah. So let's get to it.
Just like the saying in Yoruba, the journey of 1,000 years began when we took the stairs.
Yes, I do too. Eh.
How you do peace sign?
Ah.
He's out.
You see me die.
Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. This can never be UK or US. Or even Australia.
Erin-Ijesha Waterfall is known to have 7 waterfalls. So my friend and I knew that from the 3rd floor upward, no, we can't go there. So we went for the first and the second, but we started from the 2nd waterfall, and this was how far we went to the 2nd floor.
Look how far we are going. Someone's daughter is tired. How many steps have you taken? Huh?
Boom, boom, boom. So this is the 2nd floor of the waterfall. See how heavy the water are gushing out. Another thing that I noticed is that this water is pure and clean.
I'm doing video right now. You're enjoying your life. Enjoy your Sunday. Oh my gosh. Who's going up? Are you kidding me? What? Oh my God.
This is us singing a victory song while heading to the 1st floor from the 2nd floor.
Finally. The Lord has done it.
Finally.
Ajagun Ṣẹ́gun.
Now the 1st floor experience. Whoa! Ooh!
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Go, baby. Video or picture?
Tada, it is time for sight viewing. So, after the whole long walk and fun of Erin-Ijesha Waterfall, then on our way out to the Erin-Ijesha Waterfall gate, we had some time experiencing the environment of the place, and we saw this beautiful picture, like sight, and we took it. Bye. Thank you so much for keeping glued to your screen and watching this video till the end. Now we are on.
Oxê,
Pó.
pã.
Four.
Pã. Eu vou lá de. Eu vou lá de. Só que é pã. Eu vou parar, né? Eu já vou parar.